I tried a lot of workout programs over the years, downloaded the apps, bought the plans, followed the influencers, and almost every single one of them failed me. Not because I wasn't trying hard enough, but because none of them were built for my actual life. So several months ago, I decided to try something different. I handed my training over to AI, specifically ChatGPT and Claude, and what came back changed everything. I'm Miguel, this is Hi-Fi Fit. What's up everyone, I'm Miguel, welcome back to Hi-Fi Fit. This channel is built around 5 pillars: move it, mind right, eat well, rest and recover, and real life. Everything I put out lives inside one of those 5 categories because real wellness isn't just about the gym, it's about building a life that actually works for you. I am a busy professional, a Houston realtor, a business owner, and a veteran. I gained about 30 pounds before I decided something had to change. Now I use AI and simple systems to make health fit into my real life, not disrupt it. If that sounds something you need right now, hit subscribe and come along for the ride. Let's get into today's video. Let me start with why genetic programs stopped working for me. And I want to be clear. It was never a discipline problem, it was a design problem. Every program I tried assumed I had the same schedule every week, the same energy, the same recovery. Real life doesn't work that way. Some weeks I'm showing homes back to back all day. Some weeks the business demands everything I have. Some weeks I'm running on 4 hours of sleep and the last thing my body needs is a heavy squat session. Genetic programs don't account for any of that. They just tell you what to do, and when real life gets in the way, you fall off and feel like you failed. The feeling isn't on you, it's a program design problem. So here's the basic idea behind what I did differently. I stopped looking for a program someone else built and started building one around my actual life. And AI made that possible in a way that nothing else had before. Instead of fitting my life around a program, I built a program that fits my life. Here's what I will tell you about the result. A 5-day split that I have been running consistently since November without missing a week. Push day, legs day, pull, full body metabolic, shoulders, arms, and fat burn. Every session has a warm-up, an activation sequence, strength work, and a conditioning finisher. Everything works together as a complete system, not random individual sessions. Now the exact process I used to get there, the specific information I gave AI, the training brief template that made the difference between a genetic plan and a one that actually fits a real busy life. All of that is inside the Hi-Fi Fit community. Members get the Hi-Fi Fit AI training brief, the exact framework I use, waiting for you at hififit.club. What I want you to understand from this video is this: AI can build you something that works, but only if you give the right information. Most people give AI too little and get a little genetic program back that could have been reading for anyone. The training brief changes that. It tells AI exactly who you are, what your life looks like, and what has failed before. So what comes back is something you can actually follow. I also use AI continuously, not just for the initial plan. When something stops feeling right, I go back and describe what's happening. When I'm traveling, I ask for a hotel gym version. When I hit plateau, I ask for progressive overload adjustments. The program evolves with my life. That adaptability is what kept me consistent since November without a single restart. One thing I want to be completely honest about: AI is a tool, not a doctor or a certified trainer. Always pay attention to how your body feels. If something doesn't feel right, stop doing it. And if you have any injuries or health conditions, talk to a professional before starting a new program. Not medical advice. This is just my personal experience. If this is the kind of personalized approach you have been looking for, come join us at hififit.club. The AI training brief is there waiting for you, along with weekly live Q&As, accountability threads, real life recipes with macros, and a community of people doing exactly this kind of work together. $9 a month or $78 for the year. Founding members lock in that price for life. Save this video and share it with someone who keeps jumping from program to program. They need a smarter approach, not more willpower. Drop a comment below telling me what your biggest challenge has been with following workout programs. Every single one. Subscribe to Hi-Fi Fit and come be part of the journey. I will see you in the next one. Not medical advice. Talk to a professional before starting any new training program.